Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to align the Tesla logo hood with the Tesla cutout on the PPF. You want to go ahead and add some of our tacky solution underneath the film. This will help it adhere onto the hood. Then we want to squeegee out all the water that's in around the Tesla logo. Adding heat helps the film adhere onto the vehicle. Next, we're going to work on our second anchor point. So we're going to stretch the film to anchor point number 2. The same process, we're going to go ahead and add some of our tacky solution underneath the film and squeegee out all the water. One thing that helps is adding some of our tacky solution underneath the edges and allowing it to dry. Once dry, we could go ahead and tuck in the edge